What if the paint tube in your hand didn't hold paint but tiny jiggly animals and weird, wonderful objects? These viral AI videos are doing just that, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to create your own AI jelly object videos. No image generation needed, just one prompt. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, go to AI Video, Text to Video. You'll see the available AI models and their versions. Pick the one you want. For this tutorial, I'm using Seedance 2.0. Click the prompt link in the description below. I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt template for you. All you need to do is replace object with object you want to create. If you're not sure which object to pick, paste this into ChatGPT. List 10 popular subjects for AI jelly object ASMR videos, including animals, plants, food, and random objects. Choose one you like, replace object in the prompt template with it, then copy the completed prompt and paste it into Edimakor. Set your resolution, aspect ratio, then click Generate. Edimakor's text-to-video engine will turn your prompt into a clip that matches your vision. You can swap object anytime to build almost any jelly object video you want. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. Simply add Edimakor to claim 10 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.